Nantha from Nantha's Kitchen. Everybody knows me from Nantha's Kitchen, from the Copacabana days, from Elsa's, and you know, I'm a kind of a Montreal legend as far as cooking is concerned. I'm here at this beautiful Centrale Culinaire, a co-working kitchen space, and let's cut to the chase. We're living in very weird times because of this COVID-19. So, you know what? Everybody needs to eat some good food, and you know, a good comfort food is dal. Okay, dal is Masoor Dal, but they have like so many different types of dal, you have no idea. So for me, it's like there's chana dal, Masoor Dal, mung bean, basically all the legumes are dal. And what if you don't have Masoor Dal at home? Masoor Dal, as my friend Ali Hassan would say, Masoor Dal. Okay, so we don't have that. But you guys might have this when Quebec, soup l'habitant, soup au pois l'habitant, right? So for the rest of Canada, it's pea soup. It's basically a dal that's ready to go. All it needs is a little bit of spices. A can of this, oil, turmeric powder, chili powder, onion, garlic, water, and that's it. You can basically do this on a radiator in the dorm, right? So let's go. Step one is we need garlic. Step 2, onions. Onions and garlic. Step 3, we open the can. Step 4, we're going to heat up a can of pea soup, l'habitant. We're going to add 3/4 of this can of water. It's up to you. If you want a thicker dal, you can add less water. But this is what Uncle Ralph asked for. Bring it to a boil. I'm going to add turmeric powder, chili powder, and we bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to bring the heat down to let it simmer. Now we'll do the tarka. Oil. We'll wait for the oil to get really, really hot and start smoking. You can add a couple of drops of water and you'll know when the oil is getting hot. And now we add the garlic. And Uncle Ralph's recipe, he adds the onions directly in the dal, but I like to add it into the tarka. It's a little modification. And we keep doing this until the onion and the garlic start browning. When the garlic and the onion starts browning, it's good. You stop. You don't want it to burn. And now you add the tarka. Once your dal is ready, you can serve it in a nice little bowl and garnish it with coriander. And if you don't have coriander, you put a little bit of sprouts, maybe even some lemon, and it's ready. Hey guys, thanks for watching this very special recipe. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube video. You can also follow us on NANTHA'S Kitchen Instagram and Facebook, and Centrale Culinaire's Facebook and Instagram. Bye.